Hey guys, it's Mega. And today, AKKO sent me these AKKO CS Silvers for review. Now I know they've been around for a while, but they made these as a lubed option with krytox 205 grade 0 and 105 grade 0. So, pretty enthusiast stuff, huh? But let's answer an age-old question of whether or not factory lubing is ready or better to hand lube your switches. Let's find out. But before anything, a little disclaimer. These switches were sent by AKKO, but they did not pay for me to say good or bad things about them. So everything is my opinion and mine alone. With that said, let's get it on. So let's talk specs. The stem is a long pole box stem around 18 mm, made out of palm. The spring is a 22mm long spring with a 45-gram actuation force. The top housing is a clear PC or polycarbonate for all you RGB lovers out there. The bottom housing is made out of nylon PA. Not specified which exactly, but I guess AKKO wants to keep that for themselves. With the technical points out of the way, here's a bit of a history for you guys.
Okay.
Get class.
Okay.
These switches were originally released by AKKO as a dry switch, meaning no lube whatsoever. But I think they wanted to try getting into having lube switches as an option. To charge more, maybe? I don't know. But the same with the piano switch where the lube is only on the rails and the spring. But is it actually good enough? Have I always been wasting my time lubing all the sides of the stem? I mean, for sure buying switches that are already lubed saves so much time. But is it really lost potential? I wanted to look into it and try lubing a batch myself. So you don't have to. Or maybe you should. Let's see. Here's the sound test of the board with AKKO CS Silvers with factory lubing. And here's the sound test of the board with the AKKO CS Silvers with hand lubing. In conclusion, AKKO lubing is pretty good. If your main reason for lubing is sound, because from my testing, the sound is almost the same. Of course, hand lubing will be a bit deeper, but for what they are, I think they are pretty good, sound-wise. But they feel different, because AKKO just lubes the sides of the stem. Honestly, it just goes down to preference, and maybe even economy, because if you can afford the more expensive hand lubing, go for it. If you just want something that's out of the box, use it, put it on your keyboard, get the factory lube. They're not that inconsistent anymore, at least from AKKO's standpoint. If that's something you like, then by all means. With that being said, are you guys team hand lube or team factory lube? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe while you're at it. If you got this far, thank you. I appreciate your time and have a good day.